The scrapping of Indian company GMR's Maldives airport deal has got sharp reactions from the man who cleared the contract, the country's ex-president Mohammad Nasheed. He spoke exclusively to NDTV from his fishing trawler on which he is travelling from island to island campaigning for the next year's scheduled elections. President Nasheed says India's indecisiveness after the forced exit of GMR didn't go with its tag of being a regional superpower, adding India needed to stick its neck out and not change positions when the situation changed. President Nasheed also said he was calling for an Egypt-like popular uprising on the street to overthrow the regime. There was a controversial change of regime in February. President Nasheed claims he was ousted in a coup at virtual gunpoint. His successor, who was his vice president though, was given a clean chit by the international community.
Talking about India's reaction, again, we've talked about India's reaction in many different contexts, even going back to February. How do you see it now? We've seen various statements coming out of the foreign ministry in Delhi.
I was surprised by the foreign minister speaking outside the Parliament House.
Interestingly, they were having a debate on foreign direct investment in India in Parliament during that time.
Yes. Soon after that, I was surprised that the minister watered down their reactions and their position on the issue. In my view, if you want to appease bigots, if you want to appease ultra-nationalists and oppressive and regressive forces, you don't consolidate democracy, you don't bring in stability. The only way that you could do it is by supporting progressive forces. India being the biggest democracy in the Indian Ocean or around anywhere here, we would hope that India would be more liberal and more progressive on how they formulate their foreign policy with respect to the Indian Ocean. We feel that the stability of Indian Ocean is very, very important. The stability of Indian Ocean also depends on how stable the Maldives is. Maldives being the biggest islands in the Indian Ocean. And there's always been other foreign interests in the Indian Ocean, and therefore this is more the reason why that India has a very close range policy towards the Maldives.
Again, it seems like when we hear the foreign minister, he says that India doesn't want to be seen as showing or flexing its muscle in the neighborhood.
Well, you know, you cannot be a leader without being decisive. You must come out and stick your neck out at instances. If you want to be that leader, if you want to be the leader of the future, you have to take a position. Sitting on the fence always and shifting sides whenever required doesn't make you a leader.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for Retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.